everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a very quick Supernatural Pan Interrupted project pan update. Wow, that's a lot of words. This is a project that Amanda and I started together in August of 2019. We are panning a product for every episode of Supernatural that has ever aired. We have had some people that have joined in. I'm going to list them down in my description box if you would like to go check them out. And we are doing 6 products and 6 episodes at a time. As we finish a product or meet a goal on that one or whatever, we roll that out. We roll in the next episode in line and pick a product for that one. So as of this moment right now, I have finished 5 episodes and products this year, this calendar year. That doesn't include what I did in 2019 or 2020. But so far in this calendar year, I have done 5 episodes. And yeah, that's the same as it was last update. I didn't finish anything or hit goals on anything for this update, but sorry about that. I really wasn't super expecting that to happen since I did roll in 3 products last update, and none of the products that I have are like one and done or anything that are really easy to use. They're all very time consuming, so it just is what it is. Some of them I really haven't used a whole lot, but others I have. All right, starting with Hollywood Babylon, I have the Starlux Gem Pencil in Ultra Olive. I'm trying to get to 20 uses on this. I am at 16. And for the past, I don't know, basically since we got into April, I have not been feeling the green eyeshadows. Green is a March thing for me, but I really need to, use this. I really do. This I'm going to set it off to the side, and I'm going to try to get those 4 uses in the next makeup basket, hopefully, and see if I just can't get that one knocked out so I can go on to the next episode. That one has been in here forever, and it needs to go. It's got to go. I think that is, I think Hollywood Babylon was season 2, and I'm in season 4 right now, so that tells you how long it has been hanging out. Next one is a very Supernatural Christmas. This one, it's going to take a while because it's a glitter, and it's not a glitter that really coordinates with a whole lot that I have in my project polish right now. It just is what it is. I need to do like an accent nail or something with it. This is the Holiday Jingle nail polish. I believe it's CleanColor, and my goal is to use this 20 times. I've used it 11, and I have not used it since the last update. So yeah, it's exactly where it was last time. I need to get on that one. Mystery Spot, that is an episode that's very similar to the movie Groundhog Day, where the day keeps repeating itself. You learn a lot of things about what's going on, and then you just get to do it again tomorrow until you reach that that lesson that the day is trying to teach you. So for that Groundhog Day, because it's a repeat with subtle changes, I have a lip balm. I have not used this one either. Are we sensing a theme here? It's potted, and I hate potted lip balms. I really need to melt this down. I just need to. I have another one that I need to melt down in another project. That one's being neglected as well because they're a pain in the butt to use, and I need to melt it down. I have a feeling once this is melted down into a tube, a lip balm tube, which I actually have an empty one I can use, it's going to go very quickly. I just need to actually melt it and, go through that process. And it's super simple to do. I don't know why I'm not doing it. So hopefully I will, extract my head from my posterior and actually get some of this done. Moving on to the next one. This is Time is on My Side, and that is about a doctor that is obsessed with eternal life and not growing old. I chose the Exuviance Age Reverse Hand Rejuvenating Cream and Peel. I've only used this once since the last update, and that's not going to get her done. I was at this line right here. I am just below that now. I cannot hold this straight to save my life, but I am making slow progress. It's going to take a while, but at least there's progress. I think my husband just got home from work. Next is No Rest for the Wicked. Dogs going crazy, kids are going crazy. So I chose the ColourPop Jelly Mutt Shadow in No Rest for the Vivid. I actually do have that on my eyelids today. I love this. I have it in for 20 uses. I've used it 5 times so far. I'm going to show you the progress that I have on that. I am making such good progress on this one. I love this shadow. It is awesome. And I have 15 more uses on it. I'd love to see what kind of progress I can make on that before the next update. And Lazarus Rising, I chose my dog to zip it and hush. Lazarus Rising, I chose the Exuviance Skin Rise Morning Glow Toner Pads. Playing off the word rising for Lazarus Risings, that's why I chose Skin Rise. And this one is not going as fast as I would like it to. I have to smell it. It smells so good. It's like got an herbal smell, but it's invigorating, almost like a eucalyptus. Oh, it's so good. I like to use these in the mornings, and I had been using them prior to putting on my makeup just to make sure my skin was nice and fresh after I washed it, and there was, you know, if there was any residue of soap or whatever, that was taking it off, and I was enjoying it. And then I started using this Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment Serum, whatever you want to call it. And I like both of them. They do not play nice together. So I have to kind of choose which one I want to use that day. Am I like really tired and I need to really like wake up and refresh my skin? Or do I need a little bit of like redness correction, which this isn't super fabulous for that. It helps a little bit. It's not like, oh my God. So I've kind of been like alternating, so I haven't gotten as much use on this as I would like to. So I'm just going to keep doing that. I probably won't have this done by the next update. Probably going to be like 2 updates on this one, even though it's a very lovely product. It's just weird. If you have both of these products, which most people probably don't, but like I do the toner pads, and then yeah, I wait for my skin to dry and for everything to like soak in and all the essence and stuff like that. I usually wait like 10 or 15 minutes, and then I put the Dr. Jart Cicapair on, and it's supposed to be green, but like if you look at my hands, like the tips of my fingers where I rub it in, it's almost like an orange color. And nobody wants to look like an Oompa Loompa. So can't be doing that. It's not even like it pills up or anything. It literally changes to orange. It's not a good look. So yeah, can't use those together. I'm hoping in 2 updates I can have those done. And yeah, I think that's everything. I'm going to list, like I said, Amanda down below and everyone that has joined in if you want to go check them out. And hopefully I can have some kind of better progress for you at the next update. Let's hope. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.